TIGI Fuse is an online platform for us to use step-by-steps, creativity, to share all the kind of work that we do, to include our TIGI support salons, to include our best clients, to create stories, to show shoots, to really look at all the things that are out there to give us inspiration. It's about creating inspiration. It's about letting people know exactly what's going on. The idea really has come from working with the magazine in Fringe and lots of online platforms that are out there. And for us, we have so much content. You know, we believe we're almost the best kept secret with most of our work. And for us to be able to create Fuse, it allows us to show the films, the step-by-steps, behind the scenes, to show, give an insight to the people behind TIGI, to also really to showcase individuals that are creating some fantastic work, that work with us, that work with TIGI, and really to give all the hairdressers inspiration. I think that's really what it's about. And it's something that for us is going to grow. I see it very, very much where we can go to different countries, work with our great partners that we have, TIGI partners in different countries that allow us to really then, share their kind of work and their visions of what they're doing. Today, information is so quick. And with social media and all these things, we need to stay on top of actually getting that information out for everyone. And TIGI Fuse is going to be a perfect platform for us to do that as a creative team, and also to get our partners within TIGI to share their work too.